list, Dancing with Ghosts.
Fountain.
Check out the dancing fishes.
A lot of that ended up on the ground. Look from it's high, up on a stand. But look how much is going down below the stand.
Alright, that was number 1, Dancing with Ghosts. Item number 2, Simply the Best. I want to check out the blooming flower effect on this one. Alright, looks like we're going to be firing number 3 over the top of this thing. This is number 3 is an Avalanche. This is a mini jumping skier for those of you that know the product line.
Jumping skier?
Lasting. That's still simply the best fountain. We're going to be going on. Item number 4 is Moody Blue. Great double effect, 200 gram. This is how I feel every Monday morning.
Dude, 200 gram cake is really good.
Alright, that was number 4, Moody Blue. Item number 5, Chug-a-Lug.
200 gram also? About a 200 gram.
Alright, great finale on that one. That was Chug-a-Lug. Item number 6 is a fan mine, Ragin' Red. Alright, that was item number 6, Ragin' Red. Item number 7, best-selling 200 gram for Winda Fireworks, Simon.
Are you kidding?
Alright, that was item number 7, Simon Summon. Moving on to number 8, all up with Graceful Mine. It is a mine plus artillery shells. I apologize, these were actually in the individual artillery shells.
Oh.
Showing you all the different effects. That was all up with graceful minds. Item number 9 is a scratch for the evening. Moving on to number 10, heavyweight. These are 60-gram canister shells. We'll be shooting a variety of effects for you tonight.
Nice and hard.
As good as the other way.
Alright, those are heavyweight 60-gram canister shells. Moving into our 500-gram 11 trick shot. Alright, that was item number 11, trick shot. Moving on to number 12, mark of greatness. It's got a great triple decker effect.
Man.
Alright, that was 12, mark of greatness. Item number 13, the awesome display of Pirate Performer. Alright, that was number 13, Pyro Performer. Item number 14, the crazy hot effect of Crazy Joe. Alright, that was item number 14, Crazy Joe. Last on this page, item number 15, Roadrunner. Great angles and fills the sky. Alright, that was Roadrunner. Turning the page for Winda Fireworks. Item number 16, get your motor running. Check out the special colors in this cake.
The neon colors.
That was item number 16, get your motor running. Item number 17 with an awesome whirling tail is Stormy Weather.
There we go.
Alright. I spoke too soon. That was Stormy Weather. Hopefully we don't have any of that tomorrow night. Item number 18, Slap Shot. Huge brakes. Alright, that was item number 18, Slap Shot. Item number 19, a 3-inch 500-gram with powerful brakes, Crazy Crowd.
They get better.
that's the new items for 2013. We're going to be moving back into the 200-gram fountain. This is Chaos World. Has a unique flying fish
Cool
effect.
for a fountain.
This is still now or never. I apologize. This is Chaos World. We will be shooting right next to the side, now or never. Famous last words. And now or never is actually going to be shooting out ground bloom flowers out of there. We're back on our safety guys. Check out the that shoots out. Alright, looks like over this fountain we're going to be shooting number 23. We're going to be scratching the smile in the dark rocket.
Aww.
This is Echo in the Ear. 60-gram canister shots. How about that fountain down there? Behind it is number 24. 4th of July Madness. Alright, that was number 24, 4th of July Madness. The fountain that you see strobing right there is still now or never. Up above what that giant peony is, 25, on the edge. Brilliant red and blue colors.
No. That's actually a good color. Yeah.
How about that fountain? Alright, that was 25 on the edge. Next up, number 26, Thunder Rolls. Has a unique bow tie effect.
Like a bow tie.
Alright, that was number 26, Thunder Rolls. Number 27, To the Extreme. Another one of Winda's famous cakes. Single to double to triple. There's the double. And here comes the triple.
Never seen that before.
That was number 27, To the Extreme. Number 28, Angry Pandas. was last on your page, number 29, go-getter effect, zombie driver. That was zombie driver. Item number 30, tank shelter.
Oh, finale.
Alright, that was number 30, take shelter. Item number 31 with a unique effect, own the night. Item number 32 is a 9-shot, 500 gram with a double break, double dealing. Notice the 2 breaks in one. Alright, and that leads into the next one where we almost felt it. It's Feel the Fire. 7-shot, 3-inch, 500 gram.
I like it when I keep the body thing just like that. It's not even built on
Let's fire a little excitement. Feel the Fire. Moving into the grand finale with Winda fireworks. We're going to have the safety team down there light it up.
We went 18 minutes. Ready.